Meet Smidgin, our small but flavourful gin. Smidgin is made to do more with less. It's a full-flavoured, highly concentrated gin, so you only need a smidgen to make the perfect low-alcohol G&T, which is also lower in calories. We distill Smidgin in our Cop House distillery using 6 aromatic botanicals, just like our best-selling gins, because it is a true gin. But for Smidgin, we've increased the intensity of those 6 ingredients by packing 10 times the botanicals into our still, so you only need a 2.5 milliliter serve with your tonic to get the flavours you know and love. Using the copper measure you receive with your bottle, you add just a smidgen, which is 2.5 millilitres or half a teaspoon. Top up with 200 millilitres of your favourite tonic. You can always add a slimline for a lighter serve. Garnish with an orange zest twist to complement the zesty notes found in Smidgin. And enjoy your 7-calorie G&T. Cheers!